CANBK we have a buy call. So at 10 o'clock we'll again open the commodity segment. So you'll be able to, in case if you are a full-time trader, you can do both commodities and futures, options, or even you can even do agri also. So I devised a new strategy actually yesterday, which I wanted to put it today, but unfortunately I'm not able to do it. But that strategy I will definitely show it to you some other time when we have a webinar. That is trying to place the orders before the market opens itself, and how do we do it? I'll just show you even that. And in case if you have any doubts, you please type to the chat box. So CANBK is going to come to its intermediate targets. YESBANK is a target 1. So ARVIND Bank of India final targets are done. So let's wait on other calls also. So we had a sell call in HDFC and it's not moving anywhere. You can just see that it has not hit the stop loss low. We'll have to wait. Either it has to hit the stop loss or you should make the profits. Only two things here. And this is for purely intraday traders and the people who trade regularly, and it's not for people who just want to have a look at Nifty or Bank Nifty whenever it rises 100 or it rises 100 points or falls down 100 points. You just come back next day and then try to trade. That will not be possible. In case if you want to make some money on the intraday, you'll have to do it every day. That is what practically what we have seen. So ALBK as Allahabad Bank has retraced. So this will need a little bit of training in the sense you'll have to get used to it. So once you get used to it, you should be able to trade like me, how the way I place trades. It's not a big deal. Anyone can do it with little practice.
There is a buy call in RANBAXY 1.
So we get this pop-up and voice alerts in TradingTree. So it will just tell you there is a buy call in RANBAXY. So what you do is you just go back to that RANBAXY chart and then place your order. Okay, it has sort of zoomed up. So we already have a buy call in RANBAXY here. So in the morning session, usually what happens is we'll get the first calls in the FuturesTree, and then in the afternoon session we'll get the calls in TradingTree, perfect calls. So it's a combination that if you are doing full-time trading, there is no way how you can make a loss. And there might be some few scripts which might hit the stop loss, but otherwise at the end of the day your stop loss will be negligible when compared to your profits that you have made. So any doubts, please type in the chat box. So REL Infra is moving towards its intermediate target. HDFC, I told you, it has come back again. So you should never panic in case of the script retraces for a few minutes. You should hold to your trade and then see either it hits the stop loss or you make your profits or you book your profits. Axis Bank already gave and sell, and it's still trying to break that. It's a licensed version. It will work on your system. So locally it will be installed on your system, but there is a server-side programming also done, so you can trade. So there I opened some of the charts here in my local system. I do have other SBI, we have a sell call. We'll talk about that later, Mr. Kumar. I mean, I'm not placing any order in that, so we'll talk about that later. BPCL, we have a sell call. CAN, we already had a sell call, it's come back. SBI, we have a sell. Axis, we have that sell, which has come back. So these are some of the trades that we have right now. When you're seeing it, you don't have to tell me also. I'm also watching it.
There is a sell call in HEROMOTOC01.
So we have a fresh call in TradingTree, that is in Hero Motors. We have a sell call. Now in case if someone wants to take calls, some real traders here, someone wants to take calls, you can try it out also. So this is the sell call what it got generated. I would place a call at 3209. I'll short it at 3209 because this is a strong PP line is a strong support for this. So once it goes beyond this, your next target will be 3198. So YESBANK, I can buy it at 767.50. We can short Wipro at 588. And the prices what you are seeing here on the TradingTree or your futures prices. Tech Mahindra will wait till it breaks this barrier. TCS is a very good call which is running from yesterday. The next target will be 2617. Tata Steel you can buy at 469.50, or you can say buy above this 470, you can buy Tata Steel. Tata Motors, let me not touch it, is sort of flat. Sun Pharma the same. SBI I'll just remove. Real Infra, it's in short. We have a sell call already in FuturesTree. RCOM is again a sell call. You can short ONGC 367. GP Associates, ITC is again, when we had this gap up open day before yesterday, day before yesterday we had this buy call, then the gap up open. So the news was already out. I mean, it came out yesterday, but our calls indicate, our application indicates that you already have a buy call, you just blindly buy and leave it. So HCLTech, there is a further downside. Supla we haven't added there. CANBK I think you can exit. AXISBANK you can again buy it at 504. But we have a sell call here, so we'll stick to that. Okay, you can this will hit a stop loss, so you can buy AXISBANK at that price what I had told earlier. PNB we have a buy call. So I just wanted to show you this. I mean, if someone has missed this, so at 9:25 this was the account, that is your profit and loss account. I will give you the update again. So one has hit a stop loss. This yellow indicates that the stop loss is hit. only RANBAXY had hit the stop loss. We had a sell call first, and then it gave a buy again. In the buy call, you can see that 5,146 is a profit. So whatever 4,900 you lost in that call, you have recovered it on the buy side. So this we have sort of automated, like it will automatically give you your PL account and your margin requirement, the turnover. This is a turnover, and you can just calculate the margin requirement as something like let's say 6 or 7,000 rupees per lot on an average. So we had this buy calls profits here. We have the sell call profits here. So you are seeing this, the entry prices and your stop loss here, the first target, second target, and your average exit will be indicated. This is for your, this again an money management or the risk management tool, which will help you to trade better. We just added it recently. We are checking it, and then we'll again be giving you the same file so that you also can trade better. BPCL you can buy above 277. So if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. So stop loss amount, how you can limit is already the stop loss figure is already there. So you just watch, in case if a script hits a stop loss, exit that trade. And in case if you get the call on the other side, you take that call. Like what I showed you on RANBAXY, we had a sell call, and then it hit a stop loss, and then it gave a buy call, and then 4,000 rupees was 4,900 was your loss, 5,200 was your profit in the next side. That is on the buy side. So that way you can minimize your losses also. And since we have stop loss for each and every script, so your stop losses will not be greater than your profits any time, any day. But one thing is you will have to hold on to your trades. Either it hits the stop loss or you make the profit. And always keep watching this Nifty. Though I don't trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, I keep an eye on this particular Nifty and Bank Nifty always. So I will be just seeing which way the market is moving. Then you have some high beta scripts and low beta scripts added here. So you, as soon as Nifty is moving in certain direction, and if your scripts are moving in the reverse direction, you can exit those scripts. That way you'll be able to trade better. INDUSINDBK, there was a good buy call yesterday. It's still continuing its trend, and I will just after a few minutes I'll just open a few other scripts. I mean, we'll change the scripts in the FuturesTree, and you can actually see what's happening in the other scripts also. So I am just showing you this. The time is 9:27. And this I am getting it from another system. Another system in the sense the same software, but we have this facility added in that. We are checking that. So you can see that at 9:25 we had the earlier profit and loss. Now you can see that your profit is 18,000 rupees and your loss is 3,800 rupees. And I'll just even explain you in case if you are trading in options, I'll tell you how to trade in options with this particular application. So hope you understood. So the only stop loss what we had at 9:27, that is roughly say around half an hour from your market started. So we have a profit of around 14,000 rupees in hand. So your AXISBANK has hit a stop loss. You can just check that there, but you'll be getting a buy call on the other side. R power, you have a very good buy call. So the commodities are open. So we will just be opening the commodity charts also in case if you are interested in working on commodities. So we will be having that.